The sun is screaming. Right now, in 2026, our star has reached solar maximum. This happens once every 11 years. The magnetic fields twist and snap. Energy explodes outward. Each eruption hurls billions of tons of plasma into space at millions of miles per hour. These are coronal mass ejections. When they hit Earth, they don't just create light shows. They can cripple satellites. They can burn transformers. Oh, they can shut down power grids. But first, they give us beauty. Auroras have appeared in cities that never see them: Miami, Rome, Tokyo. The sky is burning green and purple because our star is awake. You need to understand this. The same force that paints the sky can also take away your electricity, your GPS, your internet. The sun gives life. The sun can take it back. Ooh. This is solar maximum. This is 2026. Ooh. In late 2026, the European Space Agency launches PLATO. This is not another telescope looking at dead galaxies. PLATO hunts for planets. Specifically, planets like Earth. PLATO uses the transit method. It watches stars. When a planet crosses in front of its star, the light dims. The amount of dimming tells you the planet's size. The timing tells you its orbit. PLATO will watch hundreds of thousands of stars simultaneously. The mission targets the habitable zone. This is the distance from a star where water stays liquid. Too close, it boils. Too far, it freezes. PLATO will find rocky planets in this zone around sun-like stars. We have found thousands of exoplanets, but most orbit red dwarfs or are gas giants. PLATO changes this. It finds worlds where life could exist, where humans could go. The question, "Are we alone?" gets its answer from machines like this. 2026 is when we launch the Hunter. Earth and Mars align for efficient travel every 26 months. The next window opens in late October 2026. Miss it, and you wait until 2028. Physics doesn't negotiate. Look at the launch manifests. NASA has cargo missions scheduled. SpaceX is preparing multiple Starship flights. China's Tianwen program launches its next orbiter. This is not one mission. This is a fleet. The journey takes roughly 7 months, using a Hohmann transfer orbit. This is the most fuel-efficient path. You launch when Earth is behind Mars in its orbit. You arrive when Mars has moved into position. The math is brutal. The timing is everything. Every space agency with Mars capability is using this window. They are sending orbiters, landers, sample return vehicles. 2026 is when Mars stops being a destination for robots. It becomes a destination for infrastructure. The machines we send now prepare for the human. The machines we send now are self-respect, better than you. Starship stands 120 meters tall. It is entirely reusable. It can carry 100 tons to Mars. SpaceX has completed multiple orbital flights. Refueling tests are underway. This is the ship that changes everything. Artemis 3 targets late 2026 for lunar landing. NASA is returning humans to the moon after 50 years. The mission will land near the South Pole. This region has water ice. Water means fuel. Fuel means steam. Apollo's Saturn V could lift 140 tons to low Earth orbit. Starship will lift 150 tons and land back on Earth. Then it launches again. The economics of space travel are inverting. What cost billions now costs millions. The plan is clear. Starship launches to orbit. It refuels, it goes to Mars. It lands, it returns. Then it does it again and again. This year, we prove the architecture works. We prove humans can build ships capable of interplanetary transit. 2026 is not just another year of space missions. This is the year the infrastructure matures. The sun rages. We launch the planet Hunter. The Mars fleet departs. The moon becomes accessible again. We are not planning to leave Earth behind. We are doing it. The point of no return is now.